Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing of Diecast replicas. So today we have the one of the latest releases from Tomica, which is the Ferrari F355 Spider. I believe this was released last month by Tomica. Now, prior to the release of this model, this is the yellow color version. Prior to the release of this yellow color version, they have already, I think based on my knowledge, they have already released two color iterations of this particular model, which comes in red and dark blue. And I think this is the third color iteration that they have released last month. So this is in color yellow, and I thought that it's a nice color, and I wanted to basically jump in and then buy this particular model so that I could add it to my collection. So as usual, just to show you around the box and how it comes, it usually comes with this plastic cover. So you take it out, so you have the car's picture on the front. This is just the way the Ferrari cars come when it comes to Tomica limited vintage packaging. So you have the car's model, it says Tomica limited vintage neo. On the side you have the car's model, Tomica limited vintage neo, and the scale size and the car's color. And going around the box, you have the car, bunch of details, again same. And on the rear side you have bunch of product materials described, and also you have the official Ferrari product logo, which certifies that this is basically a licensed product of Ferrari and is manufactured by Tomica. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. There's a bunch of product related verbiage, so I don't know what that means. I can't read Japanese, obviously. Yeah, I'll leave that aside. And then that's the car itself. So let me show that. It's a beautiful looking model, I would say. Car from the packing. You have to be very careful with these models. Alright, so that's the car. So you can see on the side you have the Ferrari logo, the indicator light, and on the front you have the front grille, you have the Ferrari logo on it, and on the bonnet as well you have the Ferrari logo. Of course the lights comes in plastic. On this side you also have the same decals with the Ferrari logo, indicator light, and also on the wheels itself you have a, I don't know if it's the logo, it's just a yellow color paint patch that's there on the wheels. So wheels are fully rotating, and you also have the opening bonnet on the rear side, which exposes that V8 powerful V8 engine of the car quite nicely, and that V8 engine is also nicely detailed. And you have the Ferrari logo, you have the rear lights in plastic, and you have the rear exhausts. The other thing to note is that this car complements the car's black interior very nicely. The yellow color of the car basically complements the black interior really nicely, and you can see that on the steering wheel there's a yellow paint patch as well. They just wanted to highlight that. So on the interior is also quite detailed, as you can see. You have the gear and bunch of buttons there, or knobs, however you want to call it. And on the dash you can see the AC vents as well. So it's pretty much detailed. And the other good thing is that these cars come with the side mirrors, because some Tomica models, they don't include side mirrors, as you all know, but this car comes with side mirrors. So that's the quick video of how this car looks. The wheels are fully rotatable, and also it comes with, I think it comes with suspension. Yes, it does. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing of this particular model, which is the Ferrari F355 Spider, which was released by Tomica last month. If you like this unboxing, please let us know by leaving us a comment, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. It will help us immensely. So until next time, stay safe and happy collecting.